Introducing the latest education technology guide from EDnet, covering live sound and PA systems. Sound is the most important medium for effective communications and learning, and this guide will help you choose the best live sound technology options for your whole school. From personal voice reinforcement for teachers, portable systems for the classroom and small assemblies, through to high-performance multi-use systems for large assemblies, sports events and student performances. The guide includes a range of portable systems all ready to go, plus information about custom-designed multi-use systems, wireless microphones and much more. All backed by EDnet's highly regarded expertise and decades of industry experience. Download the EDnet Education Technology Guide for live sound and PA systems today, and then give us a call. When it comes to live sound technology, we have every situation covered, including staff training and support resources.